Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi Q7 cabin filter. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx driver and your new cabin filter. Make sure your Audi Q7 is parked on a level surface for safety. The cabin filter is typically located behind the glove box on the passenger side, so that's where we'll begin our work. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your vehicle's air quality. Now let's get to the filter. Open your glove box and carefully remove everything inside to give yourself clear access. You'll then use your T20 Torx driver to unscrew the several screws holding the glove box in place. Once all the screws are out, gently pull the glove box forward. It should detach easily, revealing the filter housing behind it. Take your time with this step. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the cabin filter housing. There's usually a small cover that you can unclip or slide open. Before you pull out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Carefully slide the old filter out, then insert your new one, ensuring the arrow points in the correct direction. Finally, let's put everything back together. Securely close the cabin filter housing cover. Then, carefully align the glove box with its mounting points and reinsert all the T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Tighten them snugly, but don't over-tighten. Once the glove box is secure, turn on your Audi Q7 and test the air conditioning to ensure everything is working perfectly. Enjoy your fresh cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.